Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your disabled Wi-Fi on your Android phone. So what we want to do is just go down from the top and look at our different buttons. We might have something called airplane mode turned on, and this might disconnect you from your internet. So make sure airplane mode is turned off right here, and then we can go through the different settings for our Wi-Fi. So let's go to settings right here, scroll on down to Wi-Fi and connections, and tap this. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on right here. Then we can go back to our Wi-Fi and we can just look at our different networks. So if we're connected and we still aren't getting internet, we could try unplugging our router or our modem and then plugging it back in. But we can also try forgetting our router right here. So we can forget the network and then we can just simply re-add it in the future as well. So here is Scump. I can just go back to it and then type in my password. And a lot of times this fixes the issue. So let me just type this in real quick, and then I can go back to connect, and I should be able to reconnect. Now, if it's some sort of weird setting that is causing this issue and you still can't connect back up to it, you could try resetting your network settings on your Android phone. So we can go back to the main settings menu, scroll on down. Now on this phone, the Samsung phone, it's under About Phone. On your Google Pixel or Motorola, it could be under System. But I want to go to About Phone, scroll on down, go to Reset. And we can just go on over to the mobile network settings right here. Or here's a better one, Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Just go to here, and then just go to Reset Settings. And then you're going to have to go back to your Wi-Fi, and then enter in the password in one more time. So if there's some sort of setting that's causing that issue, it should reset that. So look at those different options on your phone and see what helps. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.